Today we're going to combine our knowledge of distance and area on the coordinate plane to determine both the perimeter and area of polygons located on a coordinate grid. Take a moment to read today's objectives. Nasir has made a scale drawing of a vegetable garden he plans to make in his backyard. He needs to determine the perimeter and area to know how much fencing and dirt to purchase. Determine both the perimeter and area. Let's begin by underlining key information and highlighting the big question we're being asked to solve. All of the key information in this problem is represented on our diagram to the right. Our big question is to find both the perimeter and the area of the polygon. Pay attention to what the problem is asking. Some of the questions today will ask for both area and perimeter, while some will only ask for area. Let's start with finding the perimeter. Perimeter is the distance around the outside of a figure. We can find this by counting grid squares or by measuring each line separately using our absolute value strategy we practiced a few lessons ago. Go ahead and pause the video here while you measure each side length of Nasir's garden. We've got the lengths of each side figured out. In this specific problem, we can check our work by adding opposite side lengths to make sure they're equal. We can see that sides AB and CD add up to 8, which is equal to side FE. To find the perimeter, we're going to have to total up all of the side lengths. Pause the video as you do that now. This figure has a perimeter of 42 units. Now let's work on finding the area. There are two strategies we can use to find the area of a figure on a coordinate plane. The first strategy is to take our figure and break it into shapes that we have an area formulas of. So far, we found the area of rectangles, triangles, trapezoids, and parallelograms. I can see that this figure looks like it is made up of two rectangles. Let's draw a line separating them. Now that we've divided this figure into two rectangles, we can find the area of each and total them to find the area of our compound figure. The second strategy we can use is to create a rectangle around the outside of our figure and subtract the area of any additional figures within our large rectangle. In this example, we would need to subtract the area of the 7x4 rectangle in the top right corner from the area of the outer rectangle to find the area of the inner compound figure. Choose either strategy and solve for the area of this compound figure. Pause the video here until you've completely answered the problem. Our perimeter is 42 units. Our area is 76 square units. Continue to use one or both of these area strategies as you work on today's independent practice assignment.